Hello everyone, welcome back to Timir. On my way, I am with you, Timir. The Yangon city on the mountain, so in here have lots of tree and have lots of bird also. Maximum times is very hot and you will know in here every people carry umbrella for potting by sunlight, and not only by sunlight, sometimes come rain. What time can start rain, anyone don't know. So if you visit to Yangon, so you should carry an umbrella for potting yourself by rain and sunlight. This way is very beautiful. Yangon city more people or work more times because the way is one way. So everyone, hope you are enjoying my video and you will like my video, and if you have any opinion, please leave a comment and I will try to reply you soon. I hope my friends you have already subscribed my channel. If you still haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe, and see you again. Bye bye.